Cool video today. So first of all, excuse the mess back here. I've been quite busy working on a couple models. I got the new Land Rover that I did the unboxing on, and I'm also working on a 71 CUDA, which I got the base coat laid down. Pretty cool looking. It's a fuchsia color, or pink if you want to be a dick about it. But ought to be pretty cool. So there's a lot of mess in the background. But today's video is not about models, it's about this. So this is a steam engine. Let me tell you where I got this. So I was at a local swap meet a while back, and usually I go there and I don't really find anything cool, but I still go all the time anyways, just in case. And I found this. It's an antique model steam engine made by the Jensen Manufacturing Company. And the cool thing about it is it came with the original box and the original instructions, which I cannot find. I put them over here somewhere, I thought, and I cannot find them. Maybe I moved them into storage or in the garage or something, I don't know. But when I find them, I will show them to you because it's pretty neat. So according to the patent, it looks like it was patented about 1958, and I'm guessing that it is actually from about 1958 to early 1960s. I have not tried it out yet, so we're going to plug it in here in a minute and see if it still works. It's pretty cool though. I looked it up online. You got your little flywheel here that turns the little piston right there, and you got a actual whistle on top. And this chimney stack is actually non-functional. It's just a little decoration piece. But so yeah, I was pretty stoked about it. So I paid. The guy was asking $40, and I ended up getting it for $25, which I'm pretty excited about. I don't know. On eBay, they're probably going for about that, maybe even a little bit more. But it's not about the deal to me. It's about the fun of it. So I tell you what, let's break away for a second. I'll fill this thing up with water, which I will, and then we'll fire it up and see if it works. So, be right back. We're back after I made one hell of a damn mess. This is where you fill it up at. It's got a little pressure release valve, but we're going to go ahead and screw it back in. And we'll cut away and then come back if it's doing something, which I don't know. But here's the original name tag on it. Jensen Manufacturing Company out of Pennsylvania. Pretty cool. There it goes. There it goes. Oh, it's going. Let me get my camera out. There she goes. Look at that. The maiden voyage after God knows how long. So I'm going to run the video on it. Look at that thing go. How cool is that? After years and years of not being used, it runs like a champ just like it did. How cool is that? Let's see if we can get the whistle to go. You hear it? Now that's cool. That is really, really cool. But boy, it gets hot. That is cool. Let's get this whistle going again. Man, they just don't make cool toys like this anymore. Look at the age on that wire. How cool is that? Alright, well that's been another quick episode of Hooligan Scale Models. I'm pretty excited about this find. That was fucking awesome for 25 bucks. I could not be more excited. Now I'm going to have to get some accessories, hook it up to that belt. Boy, she is running now. Alright guys, remember hit that subscribe button, like the video if you found it fun. And we'll be back with another one. Cheers.